Hello, my name is Jasmine, and today I will be discussing about my timeline assignment. So let's go ahead. Talking about the activities that I love to perform in my early age. First of all, when I was a toddler in the age of 1 to 3 years of old, as my parent described, I love to play with the ball as a kid. I used to go to the park every day and play with the ball there. Whenever it was my playtime, I usually grab my ball and I used to ask my mother to go there as she reminds me of that time. Moving towards the activity that I really enjoyed during my preschool, or it, it like in the age of 3 to 5 years old, usually in the India, a student it starts going to the school where you participate in different activities. So during that age, as the picture described, I like participating in different competitions, and here I participated in fancy dress competition. It was one of my favorite competition, and I even won that competition, and I was very happy. And in the home also, I used to wear different dresses and used to do catwalk in front of my family, and they used to encourage me a lot, and I remember I really enjoyed that activity. Moving towards next activity, in my grade school in the age of 5 to 12 years old, in this age, I really loved puppet shows. I loved watching puppet shows and really wanted to know how they move, how they act. So as the picture describes, I was giving a performance of a puppet show, and I really enjoyed it. Moving towards the adult age, in the age of 18 to 21 years, my favorite activity was dancing. I really enjoyed it at that time, and it is still one of the best activities that I enjoy to do. It is a kind of stress buster for me, and I've always loved it. This is me performing here, and this was my partner. Moving towards the activity that I would love to try one day, it's rock climbing. It is very adventurous activity, and I've always wanted to participate in it. But I haven't participated in it because as I'm a little bit overweight and I have less stamina, and I do not have enough strength to do it right away. So I have started exercising, and hopefully one day when I would have enough energy, stamina, and I would be of the under normal BMI, then hopefully I would do this activity and I would test my ability. Moving towards the activity that I would do in my 50s is cycling. Cycling is a fun activity as I enjoy it at this age also, but I plan to continue this activity for a long age. I would enjoy this the most, and I would also help. This activity would also help in maintaining good health, blood pressure, my bones and knees. So it would be a good and fun activity at that time. The activity that I would do in the age of 60s is adopt a pet, because basically in this age the person spends most of their time alone. So I would prefer having a pet, and this would help me to stay active, and I would take it for a walk, and I would take care of it, and this would help me to maintain that bonding with someone. The activity I would do in the age of 70s is fishing. Fishing is a great activity. It doesn't require a lot of stamina, but you still enjoy a lot. It could be a great activity to enjoy with my friends outdoors, and we can meet and have a chat with fishing, and I think it would be a great time. In the 80s, I've decided gardening, because gardening still it's a fun activity, and being surrounded by beautiful colors of nature would help me to feel young and fresh again, and giving life to plants would be a way of having the real life and enjoyment in my life as well. So I would love to do gardening in that age. That was all for this assignment. Thank you.